Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We're over here. We got the stock hydro, and we're gonna do a quick rip. Put a new tune on her too. Brought up the strut just a little bit. Threw the GPS in her, and this is a new motor I'm trying. It's also an XT motor, but instead of 3300 kV, it's a 3500 kV. All right, guys. I'll tape her up, get the GPS to track, and we'll throw her in the water. All right, guys, we're tracking. We're ready to go. We had some plumbing issues the last time. And we just got a power cut. I think the ESC just took a crap. It got wet the last time. And it doesn't like getting wet. That's for sure what happened. The ESC got wet. Okay. Let's just open her up and check it. You know what? We'll do another quick test. These stock ones are super fun to drive straight out of the box. Very user-friendly, very controllable. I don't know what issue we had over there. Yeah, these are fun to drive. I mean, not like the modified one isn't fun. That's more fun. A little bit of oversteer. Yeah, maybe she's getting some water in her. I'll bring her back right now and check. Coming in hot. All right, guys, let's check out. Let's go see what we did there. No water. Let's see. ESC 90, 88, 90, 92. Motor 100. Battery 87. Yep. 3014 prompt on the stock setup. Oh, that's why we're having a little bit of drag issues. We had some bird flu feathers. All right. Oh yeah, GPS. Let's see what she read. Stop. No, she didn't. 33. 33. That's about right. That's about right. I lose a couple miles an hour with the big turn fin, but that turn fin is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Love it. All right, guys. We're calling this one. No water. Everything worked out fine. Might have had some issues with the receiver getting a short circuit or something for a second, but everything worked out great. Stock hydro, about 35 miles an hour out of the box with the stock turn fin. Full throttle in the turns with the swoop fin. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in.